Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katie O'Brien and I am a piano and voice instructor at LB Music School. Today I just wanted to quickly talk to you about, if you're just getting started playing the piano, I want to help you figure out how to pick a keyboard that works for you, and then also just a couple of basic tips as far as posture and hand positioning. That's really important when you're first starting out, okay? So first of all, I want to say that I have a Casio Privia in front of me. You could always go to a place like Guitar Center and ask someone there to help you, but I would definitely let them know what you're looking for in terms of budget. So I don't know about you, but I didn't want to spend a lot on a keyboard. You shouldn't have to either, at least not right now. So go with an electric keyboard. I recommend a full 88 keys because you're going to eventually be using those. I used to tell people not to, but I've changed my mind. I think you should go with an 88 key keyboard. Also make sure you tell the person that you want your keys weighted. That means they're pressure sensitive. That's going to be important as you start to learn how to play piano. You want to get a feel for the instrument that you're playing. So those are the two main things that I would ask if you're at a Guitar Center, I would ask the sales representative about, and make sure you let them know, limited budget. You should plan on spending, probably between $600 and $800 tops. The other thing you could do is go to Craigslist or something like Craigslist, find a used keyboard, but keep in mind you're going to want to test it. You're going to want to make sure that all the keys work, and of course that they're weighted. Now the other thing that you definitely want is, as you can see, you want to make sure you have the stand on your keyboard. If you don't have a stand automatically attached to your keyboard, you could certainly buy a separate stand and place it behind the keyboard just so you have something on which to place your music. The other thing you're going to want to get is a bench. So I am sitting on a bench. You want to make sure that this bench gives you the right height so that you're able to face your keyboard and play comfortably.